and it's all running. Hello, I'm Chris Wright. I'm the Vice President of Business Development in Europe for TASCAM, and we're here at ISE, and I wanted to talk a little bit today about our TASCAM VS-R264 and 265 streaming encoders for video, AV over IP, encoders, decoders, recorders, and illustrate a case study that we installed with partners in Japan at the Cotton Club, a jazz venue in Tokyo, where they needed to do two different things. They needed to pipe audio around the club into different rooms and different places, and they also needed to stream online and go to YouTube in this case. So they used a number of different products. There's a vision mixer there, some cameras, some remote cameras, the audio mixer that was a Yamaha, and TASCAM VS-R265s were used to stream in 4K to YouTube Live and to record the video so they could post it later on their website. So the streaming box was a full test with a full installation, and this was a very successful test, and you can see some of the video that was captured in this performance. So this was the first application-specific installation that we did with our VS-R products. If you want to find out more information, you can go to tascam.eu.